Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to check other viewers on Facebook story on your iPhone. So if you want to learn how to view those people that actually is set to others once you view your story and you want to find out who those people are, in this video I will show you how to do this. So first of all, we need to tap on Facebook application and let's go over to story settings, tap on these three bars and then tap on this gear icon in the top, and then in the search bar you have to search for story and you will find this option story privacy. Just tap on it. Now on there, I want you to set your story privacy to public. What this does, it is allows you to see those people who viewed your story, not only just your friends rather who view your story, but also those other people who aren't your friends, and is also showed under your story viewers as others. When you have this set to public, of course it's going to show all of the names, also those other people who view your story. And that's how you guys could basically check those other viewers on your Facebook story on your iPhone device. So if you set this to public, so you may see those people right there. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.